Hello friends, my name is Izanullah Soban and today I am going to tell you a chapter of computer which is for class 5 and the chapter's name is software. First of all, I would tell you the definition of a software. A software is a software is a set of instructions which is fed in the memory of a computer. A software is like a soul of the computer and is like the brain of the CPU. A software is the part of the computer which neither could be seen nor could be touched. There are two types of software: application software and system software. First of all, I will tell you about system software. There are three things in system software. They are operating system, utility programs, and language processor. First of all, I will tell you about operating system. Operating system is the first program which is loaded in the computer's memory. This program is very important because without it, the computer would not start and we wouldn't be able to work on the computer. There are many features of operating system. They are the operating system runs the programs which we download and which are already downloaded in the computer. This feature is called run software. The operating system manages the space. For example, it could free up space, it could fill the space. This feature is called memory management. Security. It could provide means of security to protect our personal documents. It controls the input output. It controls the CPU. There are many operating systems. For example, MS-DOS, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP, Unix, and Mac, and many other. There are three types of operating system. They are single user operating system, multi-user operating system, and multitasking operating system. First of all, I will tell you about single user operating system. Single user operating system is the operating system which is the most common operating system and is used in offices and homes. In this operating system allows one person to work on only one computer. Now I will tell you about multitasking operating system. Multi-user operating system. Sorry, I said multitasking. Multi-user operating system. This type of operating system is called. This type of operating system allows different person on different computer to work on the same server, and all the computers are controlled by a master computer which is also called as main computer. For example, Unix, it is among the multi-user operating system. Now about multitasking operating system. Multitasking operating system is the operating system which allows us to do many things at the same time. For example, listening music and writing a letter, and for example, listening music or listening or watching a movie and writing notes and etc. Now I will tell you about utility programs. Utility program provides us specific tasks. But before telling you the utility programs, I am reminding you the examples of different types of operating system of single user, MS-DOS and etc., of multi-user, Unix and etc., and of multitasking. All the Windows operating system means Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP and many others. And I forgot to tell you that this means that in the operating system, the means of security which is provided to us is in form of password or in form of password. Now let's continue the utility programs. So I was telling you that the different types of utility programs. First of all, I will tell you about network utility. Network utility is the utility program which manages the network. Means it checks the network connection, it checks the speed of network and many other things. Scanning is the utility program in which the computer is examined and the program checks that if there is any virus or not, and if there is, it deletes it over there. And the examples of some antiviruses are Quick Heal, Norton and etc. Backup is a utility program which helps us to save our important files in other portable devices, for example pen drive, CD and etc., to save it from viruses and malware, because if in case any virus or malware attacks on our computer, the hard disk may fail and it may result that your important files may be lost. So we should keep backup of our important files. And the process of backup I am going to tell you now. First of all, we have to go in the start menu. There the menu opens and we have to go into the control panel. From the control panel we have to go into backup and recover. Then we have to click on backup, we have to select our device, then we have to press on next, then save setting backup, and then the backup would be done. Drive management. Drive management is a utility program which allows us to divide the memory of the computer into different drives. Drives means it is a kind of file which is the memory in which the programs are fed, and the memory fills over there. The drive management is the utility program which allows us to divide the memory of the computer into different types of folders, which is called drives. For example, if the memory of any computer is 500, So there is an default drive which is local drive, and it is also called as drive C, in which all the programs are there, all the programs which are previously already given and which we download are in the local drive. So it is already, and the highest memory is in the local drive, and if it is not, we should also keep it the highest memory in that drive, because the most memory would be used over there. So imagine that any computer's memory is 500 GB. So local drive C 300, drive E 100, and drive F 100 GB, and it is not fixed for every computer to do 200, 300 and 100. We could do as much as we want, and we could make as much drive as we want. Now file management. The file management of utility program is the same as in operating system. In utility program, the file management does the same thing. It could edit, it could delete, it could create new files. Now I would tell you about language processor. The computer could not understand our language, and we could not understand computer's language, because computer only understand computer language, and some popular computer languages are Java, C, C++, and the programs are written in high level language, means in our language. So to make the computer understand what the program is saying, there is a translator which makes it understand, and the translator is called language processor. There are 3 types of language processor: assembler, interpreter, and compiler. Assembler is the slowest language processor, because first it converts the high level language into assembly language, and then into computer language, and then the computer understands it. And faster than it is the interpreter. The interpreter does what that it converts the high level language directly into computer language, but line by line, so it is a little slow. And the fastest is the compiler. The compiler does what that it converts the whole program into computer language from high level language in one go. And in a single computer, only one of these 3 are given. Not all of them are given. I said this to clear your doubt, if you had any doubt about that all the 3 are used, and they are a process, that first assembler, then interpreter, then compiler. So now I would tell you about application software. Application software is the software which is downloaded according to our needs. There are 2 types of application software: general purpose application software and special purpose application software. First of all, I would tell you about general purpose software. This application software is a general program, and anyone could use it, and it is made for general needs. For example, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, CorelDRAW and many others are among them. And anyone could download them, means anyone could use them. Now about specific specific purpose application software. Purpose application software is the software which is made for a specific need of a specific person. Means anyone wants a software for itself. Means all the things in that software would be for him. Means according to him, as he wants the application to be, the application would be. And the difference between general purpose software, general purpose application software and specific purpose application software is that the general purpose software is for general needs, and specific purpose is for specific need for a specific person. Now I will tell you the difference between application software and system software. Application software could not run without system software, but system software could run without application software. Application software is not important to be in the computer, but operating system software is very important to be in computer, because without it the computer wouldn't work. So this was all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video as much as you can, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.